Alright, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the things that I love about Birdsend. But 5 things that I love about Birdsend. Now, in case you don't know what Birdsend is an email service provider, just like Aweber, just like GetResponse, Mailchimp, and even other self-hosted email service platforms. All right. Now, I have tried a whole lot of other email service providers, and the moment that I got to hear about Birdsend and I tried it out, I just fell in love with it. Right now, aside the fact that you could lay your hands, or you could get an account with Birdsend at 2 to 3 times lesser, okay, for what it will cost you to get same service, same features in other from other providers, right? There are other features that Birdsend has that just makes me to love what they do. Right now, one of that is the split testing. Yeah, other service providers might have this, but I love the fact that this is seamless. It helps you to truly understand, oh, what kind of headlines do well, right? This helps you to know that. So whenever you get started with sending even more emails, you know what works for your audience. Right now, this is a great one, and if you're using Birdsend, this is something that you should really pay attention to and that you should be using. All right, now the other thing I love about Birdsend is you get to know how much an email you sent made you. Right, I don't know if any other email service provider provides that. Yeah, they could, but I don't know about any of them. But with Birdsend, you can tell, right, how much an email that you sent made you, right? And this is possible with the pixel that they provide you. Okay. Now, the third thing that I love about Birdsend is the fact that you can resend unopened emails, right? And what this means is you can send an email to your list, and for the fact that not everyone is going to open the email, some could skip what you've sent. It could be that they've had a rough day, so many emails, they're receiving so many emails, they skipped your email, right? How about having the emails resent to that person who didn't open your email? Now, that's a feature that Birdsend has, and this is a feature that you should be using if you already have an account with Birdsend. Right now, the fourth feature that I love about Birdsend is the fact that you can track who's buying. Right, so you can tell your conversions. You could tell who the conversion came from, which email, right? What's the person's name, right? You can tell all of that. It's amazing, right? And this is something that you should pay attention to as well, right? If you're already making use of Birdsend. Now, the fifth thing that I love about Birdsend is the fact that you can really tell the worth of your list, right? You could tell what's the average lifetime value of the contacts that you have, right? And it's cool. This tells you that if you are spending on advertising, you know that this customer is going to be worth this to me. So if you're spending an amount to acquire the customer, that could give you an idea if you are losing or is profitable for you, right? So yeah, these are some of the 5 things. There are other things, right? I've talked about the pricing, right? With the fact that if you compare it with what others provide, their pricing is amazing. And of course, I love their customer support. It's just so cool. It's just like the way I love Namecheap support, right? They have a very good and responsive customer feedback, customer service, and really it's something that every business should pay attention to. Your customer service is a very, very intrinsic part of your business, very important. Right now, in case you don't have an account with Birdsend and you want to try them out, you can check the description of this video, and you can find a link to sign up for an account. Yeah, when you use that link, you get some credits and some time you get some benefits. All right. So yeah, you can make use of that link. Is an affiliate link. All right. If you make use of it and you make payment, of course, it doesn't make you to pay more, right? But you are given some credit when you make use of that link. All right. So I hope this gives you an idea of some of the things that you get to benefit from using Birdsend. And if you already have an account with Birdsend, these are some of the things or features that you should take advantage of and really know what's going on in your business. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, you find it interesting, you can leave it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I put out videos just like this one. By the way, my name is Jennifer Melody, and until next time, do have a great time.